We shall pass on to problem number 7, which is of next model. In the last chapter, we found the two types of ratios, otherwise called new profit ratio and sacrificing ratio. This is on the admission of partner. Because when a partner is admitted, the old partners or the existing partners should give some share to the new partner. They should give some share. That is, they should sacrifice some share to the new partner. So it is sacrificing ratio under the chapter admission of partner, that is for chapter number 5. Now we are doing chapter number 6. And this 6th chapter is in this what we have to find new ratio and gaining ratio. When there are 3 partners A, B, C, and those 3 partners, out of those 3 partners, one partner may leave the partnership, which is called retirement of a partner. Which is called retirement of a partner. Okay. When a partner leaves the partnership, say for example, there are 3 A, B, C. C retires from the partnership. The remaining 2 partners will continue in the partnership itself. So, what happens to C's share? The C's share will be taken by the continuing partner A and B. C's share, retire ஆகக்கூடிய share, ஏற்கனவே இருக்கிற partner அவனுக்கு பிரிச்சுக்குவான். அப்போ they will get more share. So, it is the gaining ratio. So, in the admission of a partner, it is new profit ratio and sacrificing ratio, whereas in the retirement of partnership, it is new profit ratio and gaining ratio, which we will see now. That is problem number 7. As usual, we wrote it in the past. What we should write? Old profit share. Old profit ratio. The 3 partners are Kayal, Mala and Neela. Kayal, Mala, Neela. Kayal, Mala, Neela. The ratio is 2:2:1. So the next step, we have seen it already in admission, old profit share. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, therefore this is 2/5. Mala also 2/5 and Neela 1/5. Old profit share. What about new profit ratio? It is given. New profit ratio between Mala and Neela. Ratio between Mala and Neela. Mala and Neela is 3:2. So, new profit ratio Mala and Neela is 3:2. New profit share 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Now, we should find the gaining ratio. Calculate the gaining ratio. Therefore, gaining ratio is equal to, see in the last chapter for sacrifice, old minus new. Here gaining new minus old, because the new share will be greater and the old share will be smaller. Therefore, new minus old will give the gaining ratio. New minus old. You should remember this. And the gaining ratio, this is new old. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. New minus old. Then new minus old. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. This is equal to dash, first partner dash, the same denominator, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 by 5. Same denominator, 2 minus 1, 1 by 5. Therefore, the ratio is, we can cancel the denominator. If they are equal, leave it. Therefore, 1 is to 1. This is the gaining ratio. Once you should remember very carefully what is given and what is asked. You should bear it in mind. Then only you can start doing the sum. Don't start simply, that is with the given problem, without having any planning. Don't enter in answering the question. Then problem number 8. Under 8, calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the gaining ratio. Both you are asked. We shall see now how to find. Old profit ratio. Old profit ratio. Equal to, the 3 partners are Sunil, Sumati, Sundari. Sunil, Sumati, Sundari. The 3 partners ratio is 3 is to 3 is to 4. Old profit share. Three plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Therefore, 3 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. These are the 3 profit shares. And Sundari retires. And her share is taken up entirely by Sunil. Sundari retires. Sundari retires. Her share is taken up by Sunil. Share taken up by Sunil. Right? In that case, what is new profit share? What is Sunil's share? Already there is 3 by 10, and this Sundari's share is also taken up by Sunil. Therefore, 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10. And This Sumati's share is 3 by 10. Now, new profit ratio is equal to 3 plus 4, 7. 7 by 10 is to 3 by 10 because Sundari retires. So this is equal to 7 is to 3. This is new profit ratio. One part of the question is answered. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. And the gaining ratio we should calculate now. Gain. Therefore, gaining ratio. How much Sunil gains? He takes all the share of Sundari, that is 4 by 10. Therefore, 4 by 10 is the gain to Sunil. Whereas for Sumati, the other continuing partner, she received nothing. Therefore, it is 0. Therefore, this is equal to multiply both the numbers by 10, 10, 10 cancel 4 and 0 into 10, 0. That is 4 is to 0. Once again, I repeat it. Now we are passing on to the new model sums. As I said in the beginning of this problem, in problem number 7 and 8, we are just trying to find the new profit ratio and the gaining ratio. When a partner retires, the existing or the continuing partners will take the share of the retiring partner also, therefore they will gain something. Therefore, first find the new profit ratio and then new minus old will give the gaining ratio. Okay, right. And this is what we have followed here. In problem number 7, luckily, both the old profit ratio and the new profit ratio are given. Old profit ratio, this one, therefore old profit share, we can write in the form of a fraction, that is 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. New profit share ratio is 3 is to 2 and Kyle retires only for Mala and Neela. Therefore, new profit share is 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. 3 is to 2. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. What is gaining ratio? New minus old. New minus old for Mala. Neela, new minus old. That's what I have written. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Since the denominators are equal, we can either add or subtract. Here the subtraction is there, minus, plus so, minus so, denominator equal and we can do it. So denominators are equal, 3 minus 2, 1 by 5. Here denominators are equal, 2 minus 1, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. In the form of a ratio, we can write only numerator, provided the denominators must be equal. If the denominators are equal, we can write the numerators alone in the ratio form. That is 1 is to 1. They have completed. This we are asked to find the gaining ratio only, but old profit ratio, new profit ratio, both are given. Therefore, we can find. Now, what we can do in problem number 8. Only the old profit ratio is given and a condition is given. After that, we are asked to find the new profit ratio and the gaining ratio. Okay, now, old profit ratio of Sunil, Sumati, Sundari are 3 is to 3 is to 4. Now, what is the old profit share? 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. That is 3 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. Now, what happens after some times? Sundari retires. Sundari retires. Sundari retires. Share taken by Sunil. Sundari retires, her share taken up by Sunil. Okay, already for Sunil 3 by 10, Sundari's share is taken up by Sunil fully, therefore 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10. But Sumati, the share remains the same. Sundari already retires. So it is 3 plus 4, 7, 7 by 10, 3 by 10. So if you simplify, you can write 7 is to 3. This is the new profit ratio. Then what about gaining ratio? What we should follow? New share minus old share will give the gaining ratio. New minus old will give. I have written sharply. New 7 by 10, old 3 by 10. Therefore, 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10 is 4 by 10. Then here, new profit share minus old 3 by 10 minus 3 by 10. This becomes 0. So I can write, I can use the same formula even. This is new minus old. What is new? 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10. 7 by 10, 3 by 10. Then what about for Sumati? It is 3 by 10 minus 3 by 10. So we can write 4 by 10 is to 0 by 10, which can be further written as 4 is to 0. We can use the same formula for everything. 4 is to 0. Okay.